Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a garlic parmesan udon. Now, while you're making the sauce for it, you're going to want to be cooking your udon noodles, because this recipe is really quick. How you cook udon noodles is basically you bring some water up to the boil, and then you add the noodles, and then you crank the heat down to medium, and you kind of simmer it for 13 to 14 minutes. This sauce is so quick, you basically want to have about 6 or so minutes left on the clock. Because, yeah, everything comes really quick. Right now, I am melting 1/3 of a cup of butter in a wok. And now that our butter's almost up melted, it's time to add our tablespoon of garlic powder and salt. Of course, I'll add some pepper. Now it's time to add a great big heaping tablespoon of parsley, or fresh parsley. If for whatever reason you can't find fresh parsley and have to use dried, make it a half a tablespoon. Dried herbs are twice as strong as fresh herbs, but any grocery store should have fresh parsley. So, all right, we're cooking now, and then just keep stirring this and whatnot. Now we're going to add the pepper, and then keep stirring this and moving this around the pan until the noodles are done in just a couple of minutes. By the way, this is over medium heat. If your noodles are taking a little longer to get done, feel free to turn the heat down to medium-low. But you should be good as long as you stir very frequently. And this is pretty much kind of the end of the sauce as well. Because the only thing left to do is add our udon noodles. Like I said, I think I gave this 4 minutes. Like I said, this is a really quick recipe. The longest thing is to take care of the noodles, and this is a real forgiving recipe too. It's a good recipe to work on your timing. And then after about 30 seconds, 45 seconds, you want to add a half a cup of freshly shredded Parmesan cheese, and that's really it. Let's get it in the serving bowl. Now, I apologize. I forgot my camera wasn't on. This has happened before. But all I really did to the udon is put it into the bowl and spread some pepper on top of it. And that's it. If you want to add more cheese, go ahead. I didn't feel it needed anything. But that's it. Garlic Parmesan udon. And this dish was so good, leftovers didn't happen. Everybody ate the whole damn thing down to nothing. So that's garlic Parmesan udon. Done.